beautiful viewers, how are you? In today's video I'm getting all crafty and making a DIY distressed t-shirt just to feel awesome in this so hot summer weather. Cheers! So how we're gonna do it is I have bought a couple of t-shirts. This one I worn and washed, and they're totally plain. Their neckline is completely round and next to your neck, so it's pretty closed. And the next one is this one, which I haven't washed yet, and it seems that it's so much bigger than the other one that I have washed. So keep that in mind, that if you buy something and then you wash it, you might get it shrinked. So just keep in mind that if you want to do this with kind of loose t-shirts, get them really loose, because those are, I think for the most part, it doesn't seem to rain where they are. Oh yeah. So yeah, they're actually completely all made of cotton. So they're gonna get shrinked in the washing machine, and then they're gonna get loose again when you wear them, but you get what I mean, right? Okay, so I have bought these plain t-shirts, and I have some scissors, you will need them too, a plain razor, like the most cheap one that you can get, and I also have those two markers. They are fabric markers, and they are supposed to stay on fabric when you wash it. You just turn it inside out, iron the part that you have marked with the marker, and then it's supposed to be set there and not go away when you're washing it. So yeah. Also, the last thing I need is a pencil. This is not a regular pencil, it is white and is either pastel or watercolor. So you need something like that in order for it to write in your fabric if it's black or dark color like mine. So get something white that you can write and that you can wash off when you're done, and get some scissors, a razor, and if you want markers, you're totally free to experiment with this one. So let's see. Right, so for the most part you'll see me using my scissors and my pencil. So let me show you how I have visioned this. Let's see, couple of tags. We don't need that. This t-shirt is in the extra large, and I wear small or medium. So what I wanted to do with this one is kind of drag the neckline in a V shape and keep the color. So I'm gonna draw that. I'm gonna draw only the one side. I'm gonna fold it in half, and then I'm gonna cut it. So I will first need to figure out how low I want this V neckline to go down, and then I'm gonna put a mark to the exact point. So let me just quickly do that. Alright, so I feel like this could be a good way to start. Let's see. Firstly, I'm gonna have it, no. So this is your middle, and you want it to go like this. Or it's too small. Or I would like it to cut it here too, and go like that. Yeah, most likely it's gonna be like this. So what I'm going to do now is just take the two edges here and here, fold this so that it is completely straight. I mean the part that you're gonna cut, because the other one you don't care, you don't really care. So yeah, let's try and follow this line right here. Just cut it. And now that we have this cut, we need to go around the seams and around the collar. Hi. So once you're done with this one, oh, that's looking good. I hope my boobs don't pop out of this, but let's hope not. So once you're done with this one, you need to try it on and see if it fits you good or if you need to go lower or further. So let's just do that really quick and then we'll go to the design in the sleeves maybe. This is what it's looking like currently. You see that it has gone kind of off shoulder here, and this stays so nice onto me. So I kind of not want to do anything to it at all. So anyway, we're gonna keep on going and make it some kind of graffiti. So no graffiti, like a graphic tee. So yeah, let's do that and let's just write Queen. Alright, so what I did for the graphic here is I printed out the word that I wanted it to say. I got an X-Acto knife and I'm gonna cut around the letters so that I have the main, the main shape. So I'm placing this one where I want it to be. The middle is here, so it's gonna be in the middle E, and I want it to be a little higher than that, somewhere like this. So I'm just simply running over the letters. Alright, so you don't need to be very careful with this, you just need to figure out what the word is going to be. And then we're gonna take the markers. Let's decide, is it gonna be white or gold? Gold is looking good. Alright, so I'm gonna take this surface again and better take something that you can keep it kind of taut like that. You really need your canvas to be like straight. And let's do the painting. I chose gold because why not? Queen, right? So this is what it's looking right now, and you really need to let this dry for a bit so that you won't mess up later. So as I'm waiting for this to dry, I'm gonna use the razor that I showed you before, and I'm gonna distress the fabric in the sleeve area, and I'm gonna go like that. For example, here you don't need to have it super stretched out, or else it won't catch the places of the fabric that are, upper. So you kind of need to go over this, and if you have it kind of messy like that, so yeah. I want to distress this part very much. So and then stretch it so that you know where your cats are. It's looking really good on the color section, you guys. You kind of, oh god. I'm gonna go over this like that. Yes. Yeah, this wasn't my nail. Sorry, I messed up. So let's go grab another razor and I'll be back. Yeah, I brought them all just in case. We can also make some cats here and there. Right now, I'm just here. So nice looking. And it's so easy to make. Let's wear it. So guys, this was it all. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. It was such a quick and easy way to transform a plain t-shirt that you are bored of, or maybe that you have hanging around and it's so loose and big that you don't want to wear, just plain like that. And I don't know, I wasn't going for a certain look, so I kind of went and did some stuff. I'm probably gonna mess with this more and more throughout the day today. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Give this a thumbs up if you liked it. So thank you once again so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and I will be so happy to see you in the next video. Bye! By the way, my glasses don't have glass on them. They just look pretty and do not have a glare onto the lens. By the way, I didn't do the other one because this video was going to be super long, and I'm gonna keep it for another one with a different distressed style. So, love you. Bye. Quick update about the lenses. The color CL people were so polite. They responded to me immediately, and they sent out a new contact lens with a new face mask as a gift, and they sent it out with DHL Express, so it was to me from Korea to Greece in like 5 days or so. So this was super good of them, and now I have both of the lenses. Enjoy them. Bye. Ciao.